Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send crypto using the blockchain wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the blockchain wallet. Then go to this plus icon in the middle of the screen, and it's going to open up all the available options that you can do with your crypto. The second one is going to be send to any wallet, and when you tap on it, it's going to open up these four wallets. But if you have more wallets on your blockchain.com, then you will have more options here. So just choose the wallet that you would like to use to send crypto. Now I just opened my Bitcoin private key wallet, and here very easily you can either add the address that you are sending your Bitcoin to, or you can use the camera to scan a QR code of Bitcoin wallet, and you can send your Bitcoins through that way. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.